Okay, for the pendulum hip extension, we are going to use a pretty light band. You need to use a band light enough that you can control the position. You're going to anchor it down nice and low. Now, what's really important about this exercise is that we're trying to limit any movement from your lower back while you're moving the hip. So there's two things we have to make sure we're doing. You have to make sure you keep the hips slightly up so that you've got some movement under your foot to pull the leg back with, otherwise you're going to run into the ground. The second thing we're going to make sure we're doing is that the distance from your belly button or your belt buckle to your ribs stays exactly the same. So as we pull the leg back, when we get to about level with our stance leg, if we have to change position in the back or tip forward this way in order to get the movement to extend the leg, no good. We're going to stay nice and stable here, everything stays in the same position, and the leg pulls back nice and square. So you're going to stand, put the band around one ankle. The banded leg is the front leg. We've got the hands on the belly so you can feel the ribs, feel the belly button. From here, hitch the hip up slightly, pull the leg back as far as you can without losing or compromising your lower back position, and then come back to the front. So we're pulling straight back, back to the front. Straight back, back to the front. So it's a pendulum action with the hip of the leg with no movement in the top half of the body.